Hi everyone, I'm just going to do a quick video here to give you some pointers on using using a math equation editor with some of these essay questions. And this applies to all essay questions that you have on any assessments, but I think this is the first one that we really could benefit from using the equation editor. So I've just jumped to question 24 on the test. And it is an essay question, so we can type everything we want here, and we're supposed to complete a congruent statement. So remember, that's like triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF by, I don't know, angle, side or something. So you are welcome to type that in. Like one option is just to write the words, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF by angle, side. So that is an option because it is an essay, so you do have the ability to do that. However, we can use this insert math equation option here, and so I'm going to click on that. And when that's going to pop up this lovely window that has a lot of options. And so actually under the operators is a triangle. And then we could just type in ABC. And then under relationships is the congruent symbol. Go back to operators, get the triangle, type in DEF by angle, side. And then we just hit insert equation. But just to show you a couple things are here, there's an angle symbol there. I mean, a lot of the stuff we don't need right now in this particular lesson, but the relationships has all these less than and greater than things. Operators, let's see, the Greek alphabet, there's pi in here somewhere, right there. And basic, fraction, subscript, superscript, all that stuff is here. So for us, we just need the triangle and then the congruent symbol. But if you ever do need an angle symbol, that's there in the miscellaneous tab. So if I hit insert equation, it shows up there beautifully. And we can see it whenever we are grading. So that's just an option for you guys to keep in mind as you go through this test.